The potential for financial gain through the sale of woodworking projects is substantial, particularly when one focuses on items that have consistent appeal throughout the year. Woodworking is not merely a craft. It can be a profitable venture that allows artisans to transform their creativity into income. By creating versatile products that resonate with a broad audience, woodworkers can tap into a market that appreciates handcrafted quality and unique design. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking projects ideas that sell well on every time of year. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the primary advantages of woodworking is the inherent value of handmade items. In an age where mass-produced goods dominate the market, consumers are increasingly drawn to products that reflect individuality and craftsmanship. This trend is particularly pronounced in home decor, where unique wooden pieces can serve as focal points in interior design. Items such as custom shelves, decorative signs, and furniture pieces not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space, but also offer functionality, making them attractive to potential buyers year-round. The key to financial success in woodworking lies in selecting projects that can be marketed effectively regardless of the season. While certain items may see spikes in demand during specific holidays, such as ornaments during Christmas or garden planters in spring, there are many woodworking projects that maintain steady interest throughout the year. For instance, furniture pieces like coffee tables, side tables, and benches are consistently sought after. These items cater to ongoing home improvement trends, allowing woodworkers to create timeless products that have enduring marketability. Another area with significant financial potential is the creation of smaller, functional items that can easily fit into consumer lifestyles. Kitchen accessories, such as cutting boards, utensil holders, and serving trays, are always in demand. These products not only serve practical purposes, but also allow for artistic expression through design and finish. By incorporating personalized elements, like engravings or unique wood combinations, woodworkers can increase the perceived value of these items, allowing for higher pricing and greater profitability. The appeal of woodworking also extends to outdoor projects, which can be popular all year round, especially in regions with mild climates. Items such as picnic tables, garden benches, and birdhouses are not only functional, but also enhance outdoor living spaces. These projects can be marketed to families looking to improve their backyards or individuals seeking to add a touch of character to their outdoor areas. By providing quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design, woodworkers can create pieces that customers will cherish for years. In addition to creating popular items, establishing a strong brand presence can significantly enhance financial success. As woodworkers develop their skills and refine their craft, they can showcase their work through various channels, including social media, online marketplaces, and local craft fairs. Building a recognizable brand allows woodworkers to connect with potential customers and fosters a sense of loyalty. When buyers identify with a brand, they are more likely to make repeat purchases, leading to sustained financial gain. Moreover, diversifying product offerings can further enhance profitability. Woodworkers can explore complementary items that align with their primary projects. For instance, if a woodworker specializes in furniture, they might also consider creating smaller decorative items, such as coasters or picture frames, that match their furniture designs. By cross-promoting these products, woodworkers can encourage customers to purchase multiple items, increasing overall sales. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The importance of seasonal adaptability should also be highlighted. While certain projects may be more popular during specific times of the year, Woodworkers can leverage this knowledge to create items that cater to seasonal trends. For example, during the spring, garden-related items like raised beds or trellises can be marketed, while in the fall, products such as decorative wooden pumpkins or harvest-themed decor can catch the eye of consumers. Adapting to seasonal shifts in demand allows woodworkers to maximize their sales potential throughout the year. Understanding the target market is crucial for financial success in woodworking. By identifying consumer preferences and trends, woodworkers can tailor their projects to meet the specific needs of their audience. Engaging with customers through surveys or social media can provide valuable insights into what types of products are most appealing. This feedback loop not only informs project selection but also enhances customer satisfaction, leading to positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals. Additionally, pricing strategies play a significant role in the financial viability of woodworking ventures. In order to maximize profit, woodworkers need to strike a balance between affordability and perceived value. Conducting market research to determine competitive pricing can help artisans position their products effectively. Offering a range of items at different price points can also cater to various budgets, allowing woodworkers to attract a wider customer base. The rise of e-commerce has transformed the landscape for woodworking sales, providing woodworkers with unprecedented access to global markets. Online platforms, such as Etsy and Amazon Handmade, allow artisans to showcase their work to a vast audience, reaching customers who may not have access to local craft fairs. Additionally, having an online presence through social media can amplify marketing efforts, enabling woodworkers to share their process, engage with followers, and drive traffic to their shops. This digital shift has made it easier than ever for woodworkers to turn their projects into profitable ventures. Networking within the woodworking community can also yield financial benefits. Collaborating with other artisans, participating in trade shows, or joining local woodworking clubs can provide valuable opportunities for learning, sharing resources, and gaining exposure. These connections can lead to joint projects or partnerships that enhance visibility and expand market reach. The potential for financial gain through the sale of woodworking projects is significant, especially when focusing on items that can sell well year-round. By creating versatile, functional, and aesthetically pleasing products, woodworkers can tap into a market that values craftsmanship and individuality. The combination of strategic marketing, adaptability to consumer trends, and effective branding can transform woodworking from a hobby into a lucrative business. As artisans continue to refine their skills and explore new project ideas, the opportunity for sustained financial success in woodworking is not only achievable, but also highly rewarding. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking projects ideas that sell well on every time of year. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.